In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the fuel economy unit in your Kia Sportage. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or hitting the open road, having the right unit can make all the difference in monitoring your fuel efficiency. First things first, let's get that ignition on or start up the engine. This will power up the instrument cluster display where we will make our adjustments. Now we will navigate through the menu. Simply press the menu button on your steering wheel to access the user settings. Scroll down until you find the other option. Once you have located it, hit the OK button to dive into the sub-menu. Within the other menu, select Fuel Economy Unit and press OK. Now you have got two choices: kilometers per liter or liters per 100 kilometers. Pick the one that suits your preference or matches your regional standards. Once you have made your selection, simply press OK to confirm. You have successfully changed the fuel economy unit on your Kia Sportage. And there you have it, folks. With just a few simple steps, you can keep track of your fuel efficiency in the format that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to Join for more car tips.